Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another function of Python, which is tanh. So tanh function is mainly used to calculate the hyperbolic of tangent. So whenever you want to calculate the hyperbolic of tangent, in that case you need to use this function, which is tanh function. Now before we use this, first of all we need to import the module with which this function will come. Okay, so here you can see on line number 8 I'm importing the module. So my module name is math. I'm importing math module, and post that we are using the functions. So there are a couple of scenarios I have noted it down. So one by one we will go through each scenario and understand the concept. So for the first scenario, you can see that we are passing the value as 0 as an input parameter. So if we calculate the hyperbolic of tangent for this value, then it would come like this 0 0.0. So let's verify the same. To verify, I will drag up my terminal. Here I will write Python session 79.py. So if I hit enter here, you can see it prints the output as 0 0.0 for the first scenario. Similarly, if you are passing non-zero value, then it would calculate accordingly. So you can see here I'm passing the value as 1. So the output is coming as 0.76159. Okay. Now there could be one question. Can we pass negative value to this hyperbolic tangent function? Yes, we can. So you can pass negative value to the tanh function. Here I'm passing the same for the third scenario, -2. So accordingly it will calculate the output as minus 0.964 something. Okay. In fifth scenario, I am passing two-digit number, which is 10. So accordingly it will calculate the output, and the output is coming like 0.999 something. Okay, another question. Can we pass decimal value? Yes, we can pass. So here we are passing the decimal value, which is 0.01, and it calculates the equivalent hyperbolic of tangent for this, which is 0.0999 something. Clear? Now look at the sixth scenario. Here we are passing decimal value, but with some numeric value as well. So you can see 2.5. Previously we were passing up 0.01, but this time we are passing 2.5. So the equivalent value we are getting here is 0.98661. Clear? Now focus on the seventh scenario. So far what we were doing, we were passing the value directly, but this time what we are doing, we are passing the value but inside a variable. So as a input parameter we are passing the variable. So you can see I just stored the value 0.5 in x variable, and then we are passing this x variable to this math.tanh function. So it calculates the output, which is 0.46211 something. Okay. So these are the all scenarios where we are trying to use tanh function with different inputs and saw the output as well. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.